Since you were little, you were taught the significance of money. You were always told that to earn a lot of money, you must work hard and put tremendous amount of effort. And you believed it. All this is going to change after seeing this video. Hello and welcome to Geva Trade, the fullest and most comprehensive course for the capital market trade. The course is especially suitable for experienced traders and also for those without previous knowledge. During the course, you will learn exactly how, where, and when to press to make money on a daily basis. Nothing is left unexplained, and everything is accompanied with live presentations of real-time trade. Every week, a new chapter of course will be open for you under the guidance of Geva Gazit, one of the best leading futures trader. You'll understand the basis of the market's behavior. You'll learn to identify correlations between contracts and how to exploit it for fast profits. We'll explain about psychological elements, which affects the decisions of most traders and how to exploit it for our own gain. Also, we'll learn the best and most safe method for trading. This method does not rely on market movement direction and does not require stop loss. This, in fact, the world's leading hedge funds trade method. With Geva Gazit's method, you'll learn exactly what needs to be done without wasting time over other methods, which will not help you. You will learn the most practical and effective way to trade, knowing that you have a guide which walks together with you all the way to make sure you are always on the right path. You'll learn an amazing profession which will allow you personal and financial freedom without being dependent or restricted by any factor but yourself. This is the time to step forward to excellence, success, and freedom. Geva Trade, the fast route to success.